so in this video, we execute a graduated bob. Now, my goal was to create as much fullness and thickness as possible. My model already had her outline around jaw length, so I thought, well, that's already perfect for a graduated bob. Why don't we just go ahead and graduate the back of the head, creating the graduated bob? You see, graduation is the buildup of weight. It creates a lot more fullness and thickness in hair, which is why I chose to do the graduated bob. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, hey, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so very much again for watching. All right, so here's the before of my model, and now here's me getting started. As you can see, what I have done is I've taken a center section down the center back of the head. I've divided the right side from the left side, and now I'm taking a diagonal section. My very first section, this is the guide for the rest of the haircut that I'm cutting in right now. I'm holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle. Basically, what I've decided to do is I wanted to create a shape that was going to look as full and as thick as possible when I was done with the haircut. So I opted to do a graduated bob. So I am now executing the guide for the graduation in the back of the head. The graduation is going to make the hair look fuller and thicker when it's all said and done. So I'm taking the sections on the right side of the head, just over directing to the previous section, and I'm going to follow this all the way around from the center back on the right side to the right side of the face, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side. So now it is time to blend the graduation in the back of the head that I just got done cutting to the outline on the side of the face. This is the bob of the graduated bob. The back is the graduated part and the front is the bob. So here I'm just establishing the outline, and then from here I will carry on to the left side of the head. Alright, so now that I've completed the right side, I am going to do the exact same thing here on the left side, and as you can see, I've taken a diagonal section. I'm holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle. I'm using the very first section that I cut in this haircut as my guide, and I'm going to carry it on and flow the haircut, the graduation, all the way to the left side of the face. graduation, it is time to create the outline in the back of the head. So what I'm doing here is simply taking the points of my scissors and chipping in the desired outline that I'm looking for. So now that I've completed chipping in the desired outline, I'm going to take a quick section to cross-check the graduation. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to take horizontal sections, working my way from the bottom of the hairline up to the top of the graduation. So as you can see, creating this graduated bob shape, especially the graduation in the back, is starting to create a much more fuller and thicker look in the back of the head, which is exactly what I was going for. So as you can see, the graduation is starting to make the hair look a lot more fuller and a lot more thicker, which is exactly what I was going for. And as you notice, my model has wavy hair, so she could definitely wear this haircut wavy, or she could blow it out straight. As you can see, I chose to blow it out straight, and now I am cutting the fringe/bang area. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. As you can see, the hair looks so much fuller, so much thicker. We've taken the graduation and built up a nice full shape in the back of the head. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments in regards to the graduation, the graduated bob, any part of it, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching.